We need more help in this. Get some more people.
I'm filming, dude.
Can you move these chairs?
Yeah, hold up.
We gotta get this over.
There, it's good. Go. Cover him up. There you go.
Hop through. No, hop through the door.
Go.
You just said, could you guys keep it down? Are you getting this?
Yeah. It's so good.
Dude,
oh.
He's the deepest sleeper I've ever
Holy crap.
I don't understand this. On this game.
How is he sleeping through this?
I think he's dead. Or in a coma.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
He told us to keep it down while we're moving. Keep it down.
Keep it down, you guys. Move this over.
You gotta put another thing over his back. Oh my god. This is gonna be funny. We gotta go put it Hey, put it back on.
So we'll put it back on.
Get a new one. We need a new one. We'll get another one.
So good. This is the best idea ever. This is the greatest idea ever.
We shouldn't even let it too long. Just saying.
Oh my gosh. This is so good. This is so perfect.
At this point, the whole camp.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so it can't get any worse. It can't get, yeah, it's, oh my god.
Oh, come on. Is that it? He's scratching his head. Oh my gosh.
I feel like we need another one over his head.
I feel like we're terrible people.
Zach, we need another one over his head. That's what's gonna look fun.
He's gonna wake up anyway.
He's gonna get so soaked.
Oh, you awake? Oh. Oh, dude. He's going back to sleep.
Oh, Cohen, we love you.
We love you, Cohen. It's okay. Cohen, we love you. It's okay. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my gosh. And he lives.
Don't lose him.
It lives. Yeah, give it to him. He's a good sport. Give it to him. He's a good sport. Yeah.